How to fix error 0x00000006 invalid process detach attempt on Windows. 1. Make sure that Windows is updated. 2. Update your graphics card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Run Microsoft's BSOD troubleshooter. 4. Run SFC scan and run DISM as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health 5. Check the hard drive. Six. Remove and reinstall your Office. 7. Remove your antivirus software using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 8. Enter Windows Clean Boot and the safe mode to locate the troublemaker. 9. Check your hardware, RAM, hard disk and CPU. 10. Perform system restore or reset your PC.